Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set correct Outlook SMTP settings to send emails. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox and emails loading up on the main screen. This is where you'll be working from to access your account settings and make the necessary adjustments to your SMTP configuration. Now, to configure your SMTP settings properly, direct your attention to the top of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. Look for the File tab and click on it to open the File menu. This menu is where you'll find all your account management options and settings that control how Outlook sends and receives your emails. Once the File menu opens up, you'll need to first select your email account from the Account selector at the top part of the menu. This step is important because if you have multiple email accounts connected to Outlook, you want to make sure you're adjusting the settings for the correct one. After selecting your account, click on Account Settings. You'll see additional options appear in a drop-down menu. From this list, click on Server Settings. This is where the magic happens, as this section controls all the technical configurations for how your emails are sent and received. When you click on Server Settings, an IMAP Account Settings window will appear on your screen. This window displays all the configuration details for your email account, including both incoming and outgoing mail settings. Here's where you can change or correct any issues that might be preventing your emails from sending properly. Navigate to the outgoing mail section by clicking on it. This is specifically where your SMTP configuration lives, and this is what controls your ability to send emails from Outlook. In the outgoing mail section, you'll see several fields displaying your current SMTP configuration. Take a careful look at these fields and make sure you have the correct information entered. You'll need to verify three key things: the SMTP server address, which is typically something like smtp.office365.com or smtp.gmail.com depending on your email provider, the port number, which is usually 587 for TLS encryption or 465 for SSL encryption, and finally the encryption method itself, which should match what your email provider requires. These settings are crucial because even one incorrect detail can prevent your emails from being sent. Once you've corrected any errors in these fields and ensured everything matches your email provider's requirements, click the Next button. Outlook will then verify your configuration automatically by testing the connection to the server. This verification process ensures that your settings are correct and that you'll be able to send emails without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Outlook SMTP settings to ensure your emails can be sent properly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.